Guys, what's up? So I just finished curling my hair. You probably can't even see it. And I was looking back on pictures of my hair and I regret cutting it short. Like, it's not even that short, but it used to be down to my butt and now it's like in the middle of my boobs. So for me, that's short. And I was looking back at pictures and I'm like, oh my God, why did I cut my hair? I regret it so much. And also, I know you guys probably can't even tell, but I've been trying to grow my hair to its natural color. So my natural color is like a brownie color. You probably can't even tell. So I have about this much of my natural color and then the rest is black. So I miss my long ass black hair. I regret cutting it. Mike has always wanted to see me with my natural hair color because he never has. He's only seen me. Oh, you can kind of see it here. See how it's like a little bit lighter and then it goes like black. I know you probably can't even notice on camera. You guys are probably like, it looks black. Also, I'm in my younger brother's wedding. Mike and I are standing in their wedding. So I'm a bridesmaid, he's a groomsman. And I've been trying to like practice like curling my hair. So I did that today. I've been trying to like practice it so that I'm ready for that day. And I got it down pat. And this is also, sorry, I'm like talking really fast. It's because Mike's coming home soon. I gotta make him his lunch and then I gotta go to work. This is a makeup also that I wanted to wear for the wedding day. I think it looks really nice. The dress that we're wearing is like a forest green and I just feel like this will look nice with it. I don't know. I'm gonna like self tan and everything a few nights before so that, you know, it all looks really nice. And with black hair, yes, I think it'll all come together really nicely. Okay. Hey guys, it's me again. It's a couple days later. I did it. I dyed my hair black. Can you guys even tell? I wonder if you'll be able to tell the difference. I missed my black hair so much. And look, my hands are all black. I just love jet black hair. I feel like this is me. I meant to have dark hair. I tried to grow it out and I couldn't do it, you guys. I actually haven't dyed my hair in probably like 2 years. So I feel like that's a record. But yeah, I'm so glad that it's back. Look what I just got in the mail. I can't believe it. I was not expecting this. So I got the Kat Von D True Portrait Lightweight Medium Coverage Foundation. It says moisturize before you apply. So skin is hydrated and smooth. Shake very well to ensure the formula is fully mixed. If it looks watery, you gotta shake it some more. Squeeze to dispense a small drop and blend with fingertip. A little goes a long way. Oh, so it's like a squeezy? Who's gonna focus? It's like a squeezy tube, I guess. Looks like that. Comes in a tube like that, I guess. So this is the foundation in here. And then they also included the Ultra Ink liner. Flexible felt tip. Is this the liner I usually use? I don't know. Let's see. It's kind of hard to open with just one hand, but okay, let me just take this out and move this. Oh, I can't get it out. Okay, but anyways, it's the liquid liner. And they sent me the Go Big or Go Home mascara, which I've tried before. Love this mascara. It's very volumizing. Send it in black. Yes, Trooper Black. Let me know if you guys want to see a review on this. What did they send me? Medium. Oh wow, that is really nice. I love that packaging. Hang on. This looks like this. Nice. I cannot wait to try this out. Yeah, I'm gonna do a full review on this. Thank you so much, Kat Von D, for sending me this. Appreciate it. I'm excited, you guys. Woo! I just changed the lens. I was using my little pancake lens, which is like really up close and you can't adjust, like I can't zoom in or out. So I decided to put the original lens that comes onto the camera just so that I can do like this, like woo, woo, you know? So hopefully the quality is just as good. I don't know. Mike and I have been very busy lately. We actually painted a few weekends ago, last weekend. Yeah, we painted our master bedroom and I want to decorate it more. I want to change the bedding out. I want to just give it a complete makeover. Like I'm looking into duvets. Ooh, there's a fruit fly. No! Oh, I hate fruit flies. What was I saying? Oh, I'm looking into duvets because I get pretty hot at night and so I want something that's going to keep me like not cold but in between, and I don't know too much about duvets, so I've been like doing my research and I've been trying to see like which one I should get, and they're so expensive. I feel like they're worth it, and so yeah, even though I do want to decorate and do like a whole makeover, I feel like things are just so expensive, and yeah. Slowly but surely we will get this place looking exactly how we want it. But yeah, it does take time and it does cost money. So yeah, we did that the weekend before, and then this last weekend was my younger brother Justin's wedding. He married Maria and that was so much fun. We ended up going down south, like to the Toronto area. If you guys didn't know, I live way up north, northern Ontario. When we got down there, I could not believe how much traffic there was. You get used to living up here and you get spoiled because there's absolutely no traffic here. The only time it's really busy here is in the summertime. And I mean, even that's not really that busy compared to down there. I couldn't believe it. I was just like, how do people live here? And I used to live down there for many, many years. I don't know how I did it. Just to go from like one area to somewhere like that's like 5 minutes away takes you about half an hour. And yeah, it's just, I don't know how people do it. You really need to have a lot of patience. Besides that, the wedding was beautiful. I'm so happy for my younger brother. I know that he's been, waiting to meet the one, and I feel like she is just the perfect match for him. She just compliments him so well. They both compliment each other. She's very like lovable, and everyone just loves her. When she walks into a room, she lights up the whole room, and they just make a really good match. And so I'm super happy for them, and I'm glad that Mike and I were part of their wedding. We did stand in their wedding, and yeah, it was a lot of fun. So thank you, Justin and Maria, and congratulations again on your wedding. It was beautiful. Okay, I'm going to go change into my work clothes and I'm going to wash some dishes, make some lunch for Mike, and I will continue filming these next couple of days and see what happens. Okay, bye. We painted the walls gray. All throughout the house, the walls are pretty much this color that you see out in the hallway, that beigey, creamy color. So we thought we would do gray just because we're really into grays. And I think it looks beautiful with our bedroom furniture, the dark brown wood. So we finally got a duvet, which we're excited about. We've been sleeping pretty good these last few days. As you can see, the white definitely makes a big difference. I still want to switch out those pillowcases, not loving the blue. I just want it all to be white. And maybe like a pop of color I'll add. I'm not sure what, but I did order some new sheets and pillowcases, so just waiting for those to arrive. We finally got the cords in this little thing to hide them, so it looks much better. And I got another orchid because I just love orchids. They're so easy to take care of, and I don't know, I just saw this one. It was all lonely. All the other ones were pink and purple, and this was the only one like that. And so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take her home. And yeah, that's what that's looking like. So I just wanted to quickly mention, in case you guys are interested and you live in Canada, I got my duvet and my duvet cover from Quilts Etc. Home, proudly Canadian, and there's the website right there. Mike's mom actually recommended this, and they have such really nice duvets and a lot of different duvet covers. So the duvet that I got is the pure wool. It's the Australian duvet. I was a little bit worried that maybe it was going to be too hot, but I read about Australian wool, and it says that it's lightweight and soft, and it's warm and cozy, and you stay cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. And the wool absorbs 30% of its weight in moisture, keeping you dry and comfortable all night long. And we've actually been sleeping pretty good. We don't feel too hot or too cold. Like, it's perfect. I'm really happy with the one that we got. And then the actual cover is this one. It's the Cordoba, and yeah, it just looks like that, just in case, I don't know, you guys are interested in knowing that information. Still need to get some lamps for the night tables. Not much is going on over here. Still need to get a mirror. For the pine, we decided that we're going to leave it, but we're just going to paint it. And I'm thinking we should paint it white, and it'll make just a big difference. And I feel like the white would look really nice with our bedroom furniture. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys kind of the difference. The room looks much better already, and I just can't wait till it all is complete and comes together. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.